Nó biết tôi si tỏi Agape Hmong Garden. Cho mình nhận tôi si. Sao có xe đầu còn si trong một lên. Cô chỉ nhẹ cho nên không anh nói liền. Cô đâu có allergy nè. Hả chị? Cô chỉ bỏ em muốn sai ship hả? Just go check out some information. Registered for 12. It's right there. Yeah.
All right.
Aiden, can you write mommy's name too?
What color do you want?
It doesn't matter. You pick it for me.
Chia, your 12 is here already, or
Oh no, it's just 6 of us.
You want Lee on it?
are you expecting
No,
more people?
no,
Okay.
no more. Oh, thank you.
Yeah, but what?
No.
You don't know my name?
Here, let's. Oh, you're gonna put it here? Okay.
Grace.
Nobody can
Silver or Grace, fine. Sienna.
Wait, your last name's right?
And make sure you guys
My name. Don't
get
need
some name tags over here, yeah. And then lunch is ready. You guys can grab lunch and all the activities are
Here,
on the other side.
Kenji, can you put it on for him? Can you grab your trash and hand it to the sister here?
Joy Yang.
Thank you. Remember to say thank you.
Can you go see if they have Rice Krispies up there at the
Dạ đó
store?
chị nè.
Wait,
Có một sấy mà. Ô cái sấy lại cho lantern nó lại ôi rong có cưng hay vậy?
How did they make it?
I don't know. This is cute.
Hey, stand up. Stand up.
They
Cái
do,
thứ
but
mình
it's
sao là?
chocolate.
What do you mean?
They do, but it's chocolate.
Chocolate is fine. You can eat chocolate.
You guys enjoy.
Ôi dồi, cho khỏi nó chị. Ô cũng mà sạch. Abraham, sit down right there. Kenji, tao không nói gì.
No.
I really hope there's bathrooms to wash my hands.
Rồi đúng rồi, không đi coi gì có tiền lo ít tầm rồi.
Like this?
Oh, no. That's who are racist. I like eating chicken.
Chicken.
Everything you build, you get to take home.
Cô gửi sống câu nào, okay? Cho con two Hmong people đó. Can you build a Hmong house like that, Aiden? You see the Hmong house? Come on. Vô họ có plant.
Wait. I need more pieces like this.
Yeah.
Another one?
Can you make the mignon Hmong what they?
Wait, I don't know if there's any like home.
Can you make the mignon Hmong what they?
There's no like. I'm gonna make them run away from the explosion, guys. There's no home. I wanna make a home.
We built a garden.
Huh? They don't have a home, Mom. They
Huh?
don't have a home.
That's fine. Kenji, come with hotel. Can you build mommy in her garden?
This is you then.
Yeah. Mommy and dad.
Ew, what is that?
Abraham. cái nó tà đó. Go get yours over there. You see that table? That table?
You gotta bring your own stuff home.
Hey, what happened to my wheel?
You gotta put your stuff in the bag.
My black wheel.
Back here. So you can play at home. We gotta go. We gotta get picked up in about 30 minutes. So we gotta make some room. We gotta make some room. So
Make a car, y'all.
we gotta go.
Abraham, can you go on the other side? Facing me? Can you go sit next to Kenji?
Look this way.
Hey, sit next to Kenji. Sit next to Kenji and face this way.
Aiden. Aiden, có một rồi có tí tí ta hả? Oh, grab your stuff. Go with you.
I need the tiny wheel
Okay, good. Okay, good. What happened on that day?
That was my combo.
Bye. We'll see you guys. Thay có thay một đơn đảm ạ.
Stand here. Come here. Come. No, you.
Bluey's orange. I didn't know Bluey was orange. I didn't know Bluey was orange.
Để bỏ thay ý lên. Ok mà ý lên. Thay ý lên. Okay, come on. Mhm.
What?
See the thumb now. Here, show you how to play balloon. Right here. This is my son.
Oh, right. Okay.
I didn't know Bluey was orange.
Play right here. Play right here. You play with Uncle. He show you how to play balloon.
Benji. Okay.
Yeah. Kenji, ne? It's spinning top.
I know what it is.
Con nó lỗ đó chị. Ồ.
Ô là tôi vừa nữa đi.
Good.
Ở đây người ta tổng số.
Oh.
Đấy dán được cái.
You guys want to learn how to do that?
Yeah, so we can go there, take turns, like 1 pound and the next one 1 pound. No, they don't want each other.
Oh, hey, careful. Watch your heads.
Yeah, move over here. Yeah.
You have to line up with the
And then
with the
if you
thingy.
like, then come on, down. Yeah, and you smash it. And then that's yours. And you smash it.
Okay, take turn. Oh, Eileen cho. Eileen có tự bỏ lỡ TV sao, right? Đâu mong cái có have to wait till nó done cho à. Go hard.
The original
Go hard.
pizza
Mong pancake.
Mong pizza. Are usually the pancakes that like you really like the Hmong one?
Take turn.
That's the one that you like to eat.
Yeah, good. You have to do it really hard.
Okay. Oh,
Good job.
con nhà.
Đâu mong muốn rõ tuần chỗ cái đâu mong.
Yeah, là muốn rất là chính nhà.
Kinh cơ.
Wow.
Okay. You take turn, okay? Whoa! Ôi trời. Okay, to mẹ à, to. Let's try that, okay?
Cho hổ.
Good job.
Okay.
Kinh cơ.
Okay, huh?
Aiden.
And then
Aiden.
carry the bamboo when they carry one.
Yeah, tao mong tôi đoán nó. Em thôi, tao mong thấy nó. Về nó. That's cute.
Wait, isn't it gonna go in there? There's a crossbow.
Making mochi, the old school way.
Okay, look over here, boys.
That's a no. That's a no.
Kenji lo đó.
He's watching a regular.
Oh, Nichika lo đó. Oh,
I made a garden with waterfall.
oh,
Not
great.
waterfall, but water.
Bây giờ. Nếu mà xong một tổ lúc nọ.
No.
You know you can go inside the house. Vic. I have to do this one first, then we then.
Oh, there's a baby in here.
Wow. Cute.
That's a hazard.
Bây giờ anh chị này, ú trời này cho cái finger đó hồi giờ. Bye. Sophie. Cái trong thanh gỡ của chốn đi cho hết.
Thay tổ là thay cỡ là.
What are you talking about? I show you how.
Nè chú muốn nó cho all like ma. Two feet. Help each other. Yes. Yes.
Wow.
Okay.
Bro, it's so heavy. Mommy, get over here. Zoe, get over here. Get over here. You do it. What is it? So you do it. You do it. What is it? What is it?
Nó nói là lúc pounder mà.
It's rice?
Ừ.
Wait.
Okay, tao mong sao.
Oh.
Sao
Is it
nè,
corn?
just put your feet on them, mommy take picture.
No, put it at the very end.
You pound it to make
Yeah,
flour.
put your feet up. Put your feet in. I'll take a picture for you too. Okay. Yes. Okay, yeah, okay. Tao.
Dạ đây có phu thay đó. Là mua tàu lú rễ à? Ừ.
anh chị lo đấy cái này cho ico là chị sai lên mà
Chị.
để cho ico na có khen chị lo lấy tao thấy đúng không?
Số nha.
Số nhà mua chậu khen chị á.
Muốn cái lựa chọn Lego lắm tao nói.
Đây là cho Lego đây là ô to lên nè.
Lựa lấy vô à?
Có thì cũng mua.
Thì có muốn chờ có nắng cái lọ lọ.
I think it's too bright the price.
Flour. It's they grind it to make flour.
Push it. You have to push it.
Bán này thấy còn thâu họ có chứ?
Push it this way or no.
Actually, no, you have to go
To the right.
straight.
You have to do it fast. You have to have it on this one. Just pull it towards you again.
No, you gotta. Ôi, chị lấy đi bây giờ.
Do it. If you lose momentum, it's gonna stop fully.
Ôi dồi, stuck luôn. Một bên một số lúc swing số.
Okay.
Một lúc swing nhất số có. Có muốn nhất số. Ồ, lựa chọn nhất số chứ chống e. Yeah, by the waterfall. Oh, lo to chota to nó chả khó xích. Lúc nào là khi là lúc vắt nó cho sợ đời to, có xí nó giảm phong to chứ trong phong. Nào là phải nhập món to hoặc có xí.
There's no water, Mom.
Hả?
There's no water coming in.
Chỉ mua đây.
Water is coming in just very slowly.
Are you sure this game is for kids?
Yes. Ba hai lượt khen đấy.
I don't know, dude. I've watched it, but I've never. I'm not sure that's for kids.
Mua cho bé mà, tôi muốn đâu bé này. Bé à? Bài ăn có khen đấy mẹ. Khen sẽ mình nhầm không mình cà bò bò.
Alright, I'll show you how to wind the string first, okay? So, if you are a left-handed person, you're gonna hold like this, you're gonna wrap the string counterclockwise, wrap towards you. If you are a right-handed person, that means you write with your right hand, you're gonna go the other way. Wrap the string forward, clockwise, forward. Are you right-handed? You're right-handed. Right. You get here, you position your two fingers right there. One on top, one below. The stick is in between your feet, okay? And then this thumb is on the earth. Hold two fingers on the bottom, hold the bottom part. And then your hand's gonna position your top really straight up. Because when you drop the top, you go like this, it's not going to fit. You go like this, it's not going to fit. Make it straight up. And this hand, grab it. Okay. And then you're going to pull with your left foot. You're going to drop it in the pole.
Is that cool?
Show you how.
Đó mong xíu rồi có xem mày có over lại à?
So I'll let you roll. Forward, right?
Kenji, there's one over there, buddy. Ta lò cái hả? Over lại. Có wash đó.
Roll it tight. Make it straight tight against the top. So, you know, are you left-handed or right-handed? Oh, so you got
咪個我只睇係你睇你肉上啊。我個寫嚟就bắt nó trong có cái gì à? Trong có cái.
How do you do it?
Vô tụi ăn còn được thế, tôi chỉ bảo à.
drop it in the post. Yeah. No, keep your left foot forward. Yeah, steady like that. You have to pull
Nice
this
try,
way.
buddy.
Pull back this way.
You pull the string as you throw the ball.
Okay, so yeah, so you're just gonna move top forward, and then drop it, and you pull that way. Yeah, pull fast as you can.
Okay, let's see you do it, Ken.
Drop it and then pull back. Yeah.
Good job. You go forward.
Left-handed.
You go forward.
Mom, have you ever learned how to do it?
No, I've never touched that. Try it out.
It doesn't look right though. I was know it's because you're supposed to do it backwards. Forward is when you
No, you did it right. You're right-handed. So you wrap it forward.
Wait, do you wrap it forward or backwards?
If you're right-handed, you wrap forward.
Okay, never mind. Yeah, you were right. I think forward's towards you.
Your hand goes.
Wait, is forward towards you? No, wait, is it forward towards you or is it like like this? Like this?
Yeah, yeah.
Oh, the other way.
You're right.
It's this.
That's correct.
Forward, like in front of you.
A little bit bent. Ready? Drop it. Pull real fast. Just like that. Yeah. Drop it. Pull real fast. Okay. You have to pull the string all the way out.
It's okay, buddy. Good job, Ken. Ken, Abraham.
Mom, I need jump.
Honey, how come you don't pull that one over the poster right here?
Try to.
It has to be a little bit
Chica, bye, khắp tư lời.
Bếp cho nó từ. Oh, nè.
Good job, good job.
Keep your top straight. Drop it and pull the string really fast.
Okay, buddy.
Try again.
Chơi ông cổ là cổ đó có. cơ đi. Có gì nè? À, cái gì tôi bự sao?
Có lỡ chai hỏi giá. Hai cái hả?
Nhìn nó là ôm một có tận đôi nhỏ nhỏ. Thời bé tôi cho nó là chuyện có cost à.
Nên tôi rau rồi.
Bé tôi rầu đi rồi.
Vậy hả?
Chị. Đây nó dạ hay cứ heo nhỏ.
Chị nào cũng tìm cho. Thì phòng này tôi nên chỉ là không mình nó đó.
Đôi khi tôi khi cho tận nó. Lâu trong lúc chạy tao sao.
Em chỉ ơi có hết không chị? Gần cái ít na. Em gần cái rõ đấy. Tôi không biết nó mới chỉ có.
Bây giờ có này mà nhé lấy gỗ nhớ là chị mà ôn lấy gỗ này đúng không?
Khởi ít na trong gần. Na cái rõ đấy.
Nó lấy cho mi mỏm lẩu nó chưa hành xem mà chả. Oh, I don't know. We're just là tôi kể đối được nó. Yeah. Để có một cái chân ná ha. Baby, be careful, okay? Hả? Oh, she say all.
Hey, get over here.
Mới lấy xuống nhá đó ha. Ôi. Hi.
That's your swing, but caution.
Mommy. Okay,
Is your Lego still over there?
Grandma cow.
What? I wanted to move mine. Should I go up there?
Phải go phải ha. Sophie thay đua nữa.
I want to sit.
Thấy tao hồ nè lộn. Cả liền à.
You have to put your leg on together, even you.
Is there chair?
Chị bóp à. Có sao sao hả?
No, I'm in your hand. No. Okay, yes.
Nhớ tờ sống đâu có. Đừng có sắp bỏ có lực chuyện đó. Có muốn check ra là cái lim mua hoặc có ô con á. No, perfect. Hay là ta đi à.
Hả? To hả?
Oh.
Con đã cổ thế hả?
ดูอยู่รถหน้าเป็นรถปักดูรถหน้าโจทย์ล้อจางก็ขอรอ
Yeah, probably went back to the Legos. Dạ. Ô, của chị tao báo có cả lúc nó. Cái tròn blong này gầm chồng cái đèn blong. Dạ, chị bỏ chị hái liền nó. Ô, cái lúc này cha dùng cái đi chọn nhua luôn đi.
Tao chỉ chọn thôi.
Cái chủ muốn được các cái bố hỏi em sẽ bỏ na. Okay. Bye chế lô, bye bye lô.
Why he's just chilling?
This is Laos and this is America.
There's a dragon.
You guys, this is Laos and this is America.
No. This is America. This is probably like Thailand, and after that, people are going over here, and then after that, like they're going through like these things, and they're going to go onto like
Okay.
yeah. And after that, they're gonna go on an airplane that goes to America.
Okay.
Yo, but how about this one? Shouldn't this be?
Because Laos have,
No, I'm gonna take
yeah, on the war time they have airplane.
But there's Nazis
And they
here.
have soldier with.
But there's Nazis here. They aren't Japanese. They're Hmong. Shouldn't they be killing the people?
No.
Those
Those are the immigration officers.
Yeah, that's I'm looking.
No. Wait, you can clearly see. You know the eagle. You know the Nazi eagle.
Oh, sorry.
No, we don't know.
Dude, Abraham. What? Doesn't that look like your gun from college?
Whoa.
That's a cool gun. Yeah, but these are not. No. Come over. Wait. Hold on, wait. See, hold on. Wait, pull out your phone. Pull out your phone real quick.
My
I
here.
see your phone. I just turned on the phone.
Hỏi lưỡi nhiều nên thầy kho cho lưỡi mua cho lưỡi chín một thành nó chế này giờ nó ơi cho lưỡi chất nó nè chị sấy cho chị thích sống
See, look. Those are the eagles of the Nazis.
Okay.
What's theoretically means? That.
just two
Boy, I don't care.
one for you one for Tiki okay
Wait.
yes thank you guys okay
Thanks for coming.
I just say head. Tails or head?
This is so cool.
Bé bụng mình chờ cho bé đọc món à.
Yeah. I don't think I can hold everything though.
Angie, Aiden, open the back. Unlock it all.